Okay, I need to show you this. This is the AeroCrisp Pro.
Everything you just saw came from one photo of an air fryer. The kitchen generated, the woman generated, even the food. And if you've been on this channel for a while, you already know Seedance. We made a lot of videos together with version 2.0. Well, Seedance 2.5 just dropped inside CapCut PC. And this isn't a small update. Today I'll show you the new option that got me the most excited. The same ad remade in different languages with different avatars, step by step, so you can do it too. First, why this matters. Let's say you sell a product and you want to sell it in more than one country. That means you need the same ad in different languages. The old way, you hire actors for every market, you reshoot everything, or you put a bad dub on top and hope nobody notices. It's slow, it's expensive, and most small brands just skip it. With 2.5 this became a 15-minute job. And yes, I know Seedance 2.5 costs more per generation than 2.2. Stay with me because by the end you will see why that's the wrong way to count. What matters is what a finished ad costs you, not one generation. Let me prove it. Just a quick note before we continue, and I'll keep it short. If you want to follow along, the CapCut PC link is in my description, no need to search for it on Google. Step 1. The base ad. I open a new project and go to AI video. I pick the model, Seedance 2.5, I upload my one photo of the air fryer and one image of my avatar. And then the prompt. Here's exactly what I typed. Let's generate. And here's the full result start to finish.
Okay, I need to show you this. This is the AeroCrisp Pro. No oil, no mess, and dinner's ready in 15 minutes. Okay, wow. I'm never using my oven again. Trust me, you need one of these.
The product matches my photo, the same shape, same details, the dialogue sounds natural, and the lip sync is clean. Honestly, that fries close-up looks better than my actual cooking. Two quick things before the main event. One, if you need more control, Seedance 2.5 now takes up to 50 reference assets in a single generation. Images, video and audio all together. Extra product angles, a style reference, whatever helps. And two, if you need the ad longer, AI Extend continues the scene right on the timeline. Same kitchen, same person, same lighting, up to 90 seconds total. Now a quick word about credits, because I know some of you saw the price per generation and raised an eyebrow. Look, Seedance 2.0 it's still there, it's cheaper and for simple clips it still does the job. But an ad like this one, real dialogue, clean lip sync, one continuous take, language variations, that's 2.5 territory. And here's the math that matters. One usable 2.5 clip beats 5 cheap clips you have to redo. Fewer failed generations, fewer revision rounds, less of your time. Don't count the cost per generation, count the cost per finished ad. Okay, now the new option I promised. Multilingual versions. Basically how to make AI videos in the language your market speaks. Watch how simple this is. Step 1, I upload the ad we just made as a video reference. Step 2, I upload one image and new avatar. A different person, that's all I'm changing. Step 3, I paste this prompt and notice it's written entirely in Spanish. That's what makes the voice and the lip sync come out native. I'll put it on screen so you can pause it. And we generate.
Tengo que mostrarles esto. Esta es la AeroCrisp Pro, sin aceite, sin desorden y lista en 15 minutos.
Look at that. Same structure, same product, but a new avatar, speaking native Spanish with clean lip sync. Not a dub and no subtitles burnt in. So every market gets my own caption later in my own style. I won't play the whole thing, you get the idea. For Portuguese, the same 3 steps. I reuse the structure, switch the dialogue to Portuguese and swap the dish. Coxinha this time. If you know, you know. Here's a taste of how that one turned out.
Incrível! Nunca mais vou usar o forno. Confia em mim, você precisa de uma dessas.
3 markets, 3 native avatars, 1 photo. And Seedance 2.5 supports 11 languages in total. I just showed the ones I can actually check myself. Think about what that means if English isn't your first language. You write the prompt in your own language and you sell in your own market. No translation gymnastic. That's a huge door opening for a lot of creators. One more thing I use constantly. Let's say I like the ad but I want a different camera angle on the bite moment. With Seedance 2.5 I open Edit Pilot and type. Change the last shot to a side angle close-up. It changes only that shot, everything else stays the same. For tiny fixes there's also AI Edit. I select the clip, type what to add or remove and rewrite just that part. I can even point at an exact second. At second 12, cut to a close-up. Only that moment changes. Last step, and this is classic CapCut PC, multi-track editing. I bring each version onto the timeline, one at a time, and I do the rest of the editing right there. Caption, music, final touches, whatever that version needs. Then I export, one file per market. So my honest take, is every generation perfect on the first try? No, but here's the difference with Seedance 2.5. When one detail is off, I don't regenerate the old clip anymore. I just fix that detail and everything else stays exactly as it was. That's minutes, not days. And that's the real story of this update. It's not just prettier video, it's control. Longer clips, real dialogue, language versions and edits that don't force you to start over. For product ads, this is the biggest jump I've seen so far. And about the price, don't judge it by the cost of one generation, judge it by the finished ad. How many redos it took, how much time, how many usable outputs you got at the end. On that math, 2.5 pays for itself, because at the end of the day, time is money. If you want to try it, the CapCut PC link is in my description, and now I'm curious. What do you think of Seedance 2.5? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.